able to provide enough evidence.
So what we intend to do this year, and you see it, we have a program that we are going to run. Our friend regulatory school.
Okay.
Now a better tripartite arrangement. Ghana Water, PURC, and ECG.
ECG.
Yeah, we have identified people like you, the journalist, the morning show host. We're going to move you to a certain location. Now ECG for and a certain update. Assemblyman, because I think so much is ongoing now. Customers in him, but yet maybe mobile, and you look at the things that are ongoing.
I see.
To get the consumers. Yeah, the political parties. Just senior,
yeah,
senior firebrand.
Oh yeah, I tell you. And on your crown, we
sir.
I want you. Oh, warm me up. Oh, warm me up.
So we,
okay,
I know this year regulatory school. Nyamia don't pay for agiatum. I call a cry for budget. Nyamia don't pay for agiatum. So we have to do it now. Richard Nikepia Bakorono. So we making sure say at least in your crown we are able to run about 4 streams of regulatory school to inform key stakeholders our regional, because ECG is doing a lot. Osha and say ECG for share military for, they assure them they met the police. I think this information has to come out now.
By this no, yeah, so no as consumers.
Yes,
because come out here, say ECG for no. I'm a monk, the more yen more.
Bachelor.
Yen so they go through so no. Munim.
Bachelor yenim.
They go through.
Yes, yenim. Because ECG trauma and say they have a plan maintenance say ejuso. Na ejuso feeder no. And you know the feeder system is interconnected. And earlier on I make us say ECG regional and we be. Say ECG of 4 regional offices. Near strategic region back where Bodi area, right? Sub transmission omo hwe transformers any omo substations ni nyina within Ashanti region. It is say and it's not only allocated to any district. Your regional hwe sanyo ni nyina so. They are dedicated, they are monitoring to make sure say at all times power triple how they know. Based on the I think you have to talk. We need to talk Ahomaso. Okay. Yes, I say a kwa Ahomaso now so that we can expose you guys to the system. Anytime you are much we know that okay, this time the power is going to go off. And you are creating 49 WhatsApp pages. All district assemblymen, I have about 42 constituencies, 43 constituencies of Ashanti region. Assemblymen ya elect any government appointees also. Even to the extent that some of the pages MPs now resident MPs no crowd page no so as soon as we get the information we put it there, because community monitoring. You realize you say areas be our power call for assemblyman here friend. What they say? Okay. Just say power will be crying a bill. I mean, just the bill. So once the thing happens, we distribute it all over so that your honorable members can also escalate it to their people.
Okay. So are you by this assuring us, say, PURC mujumedi or semudi? Say how? Utility providers also how no? Almost so yena with the same page. To assure you and say, how no munim.
Sure.
Consumers no. How no munim.
Yenim. And now,
how no be so ne say. Now say what ya talk ye cockot recharge ye to a creditor. Ni nessa. Mirika etu
Mr.
also can be until I'm say how no munim dia and munim complaints about officially.
Oh, of course.
Ade na mo na mo to dia phone. Ade common na mo ni ECG.
Very good. As I didn't start urban Richard Waha. Yeah, pick signal no as a region, because me catch your mandate back when say you be consumer complaint. Complete other consumers na report am and as ECG. When say utilities no so right on be report customers am and after so say be only obi tifie now suspect is any panel person who light bill wiser. Ultimately reporting a panel PURC. That's how the law is.
I see.
Yeah. It's you say signal. At the point it almost the complaints by 15 be by minimum. You realize that most of them customers can say suspected faulty meter. Because or thought 500 last week, week 500 NASA. But either to auto 500 now, I didn't try one man. Yes, there's a signal, and I have the complaint management system is that I have 2 principal complaint officers and other supporting. Until we picked it, and quickly within our week now, media also somebody buy, and then PURC free ECG. Okay, yes, the board someone ECG for 40. I think we give after someone we give them 48 hours that they should respond. Later on mobile say looking at the issues for time. Until when we picked it up, Menuka say we just finished 7 days complaint outreach. Now we have identified some of the issues. And I can state the AMPA. Some of our customers can AMPA.
Okay.
And what we are now doing is we are trying to establish the cause. Is it the meter or is it that a certain particular meter and
this are winning banana?
And I say, the meters are such that only are connected to the ECG server and they are enabled by SIM cards. Yeah, she say into reviews are PURC here for a period of time. The person says, tariff nina et me call meter ni swana. But just what I say, and our meters ni be also so batteries ejishim.
Okay.
Now say battery near weaker. There's a way the meter works. Your friend date and time drift.
Okay.
The issue is very complex, but we are working on it.
Okay.
In fact, we are working on it.
As we speak,
ECG has engaged a standard authority for some independent assessment of some of the meters for them. I think that one is ongoing.
Okay.
And in some few weeks to come, we are going to communicate to the consumers about their findings. Now, say establish a base na utilities in the HT customer, and as a customer in the HT is PURC will be able to determine say this is the way to go.
So a banner society say the more confirm say bit is not cost no from the ECG.
Yes,
possible say you fight for compensation.
Oh yes. I think with this interview with you, I think Richard has to up the issue of engagement. So, yeah. Most of the Jumana billing issues by your name. PURC in the year 2025, Ghana Water alone, we were able to one or more did issues now. I think about 184,000 Ghana cedis. ECG they are about 881 million. What I say, I think we
almost said you back to
customers and at the SSA customers yes. And once we establish the root cause of sad depletion of electricity and the law is breached, I think the commission is so competent that would you better direct it exactly the SSA.
I see.
Yes.
Right, so for your PURC regional manager, Shanti region, and you know, aiding community. I feel no joining.